Welcome sa Bulacan Polytechnic College, where your future starts and your journey begins.
Dito, we learn, we grow, and we level up.
Ready ka na ba sa journey mo?
Isa po sa patuloy na sinusulong ng pamahalaang panlalawigan ay ang pagkakaroon ng edukasyong bukas para sa lahat. Kaya naman po, isang Bulacan Polytechnic College o BPC sa ating instrumento sa pagkakaroon po ng mataas na antas na edukasyon sa ating lalawigan. Sama-sama po nating tunghayan ang dekalidad na edukasyon sa Bulacan Polytechnic College. Dito lamang yan sa Galing, Bulacan.
Bulacan Polytechnic College is under the Provincial Government of Bulacan, led by our dearest Governor, Honorable Daniel R. Fernando, and Vice Governor, Honorable Alexis C. Castro. Through the efforts of the Provincial Government of Bulacan, BPC strives to bring free education closer and make it more accessible, most especially to the youth of Bulacan. We believe that education is not just acquiring knowledge. It is shaping character, nurturing innovation, and empowering every students to become a catalyst for positive change to their community and beyond.
Ang Bulacan Polytechnic College ay patuloy na nagbibigay ng pag-asa at oportunidad sa bawat kabataang Bulakenyo. Isang paaralang nag-aalok ng libre at dekalidad na edukasyon para sa lahat.
Para mapanatili yung quality education, una yung pagbibigay ng subsidy ng mga government units, and then yung patuloy na pagkakaroon ng mga trainings, seminars sa ating mga guro para patuloy silang maging updated sa mga kasalukuyang way ng pagtuturo. And then yung patuloy na pagpapalakas ng ating student services, like for example yung guidance and counseling, para patuloy na maalagaan yung mga mag-aaral pagdating sa kanilang mga mental health.
Ang BPC ay may iba't ibang campuses na matatagpuan sa iba't ibang bayan ng Bulacan. Malolos Main Campus, San Miguel Campus, Obando Campus, Bocaue Campus, Pandi Campus, San Rafael Campus, Angat Campus at San Jose del Monte Campus.
Ang mission at vision ng Bulacan Polytechnic College ay nakaangkla sa dalawang aspeto. Ang una ay magkaroon ng mataas na uring karunungan na matatamo ang ating mga estudyante at sila ay magkaroon ng kakayahan na makapagtrabaho sa bansa maging sa iba pang bansa. Ay ikalawa ay magkaroon sila ng spiritual na aspeto, ang kanilang behavior, pagka sila ay naka-employed na ay may nakakakita mang tao o wala, ay gagawin ang tama at mabuti.
Ang BPC ay nag-aalok ng 4-year degree program sa ilalim ng CHED tulad ng Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration, Bachelor of Science Accounting Information System, Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, Bachelor of Science in Office Management, Bachelor of Science in Information Systems, at Associate in Computer Technology, 2-year ladderized to BSIS. Bukod dito, mayroon din silang Technical Vocational Program, TESDA courses, Diploma in Hotel and Restaurant Management Technology, 3 years, Food and Beverage Services, NC2, NC3, and NC4, Hotel and Restaurant Services, 1 year with qualification in Food and Beverage Services, NC2, Cookery, NC2, Housekeeping, NC2, Bookkeeping, NC3, 4 months, Contact Center Services, NC2, 4 months, Electrical Installation and Maintenance, NC2, 4 months, Shielded Metal Arc Welding, NC1 and NC2, 1 year.
With the 4 years that I learned here in the BPC, I will surely cultivate the knowledge that I have. I will take it something as like an armor of skills, knowledge, and influence that the BPC has become a part of my long journey. All thanks to BPC, I am ready to face the future ahead.
Pinili ko po yung BPC dahil sa pagiging accessible nito sa lahat. Bilang student na nasa loob ng hospitality industry, yung hospitality industry kasi service talaga yung ino-offer mo eh. So kahit pagod ka, matututunan mong mahalin kung ano yung ginagawa mo.
Sa bawat silid-aralan, hindi lamang kaalaman ang naipapasa, kundi pati na rin ang disiplina, kasanayan at pagpapahalaga sa propesyon.
Start po yung journey ko here in BPC when I took up HRS course po. Trabaho ko po ngayon as instructor po. So natulungan po ako ni BPC dahil dito rin po yung foundation ko mula nga po ng HRS hanggang nag-BTVT po ako. Hanggang ngayon po, natutulungan po kasi kami ng BPC dahil may mga trainings po na pinapa-attend po kami upang mas maging quality po yung education na ibinibigay po namin sa mga students.
My name is Joel De Los Santos and I am proud graduate of Hotel and Restaurant Services at VPC Malolos, Batch 2008. Today, by God's grace, I am the Chief Executive Officer of Taste of Vietnamese Food Corporation and the founder of Evolve University Class. Institutions committed to delivering excellence in the hospitality industry. Leading a company is never easy, but I continuously anchor myself in the values I learned from BPC, especially patience, discipline, and trust in the journey. To the current students of BPC, siguro ang advice ko lang, trust the process and do not rush the success.
I am a teacher at Marcelo H. Del Pilar National High School under the TVL Senior High School Department. I am a graduate of Bulacan Polytechnic College under the program of Bachelor and Technical Vocational Teacher Education. When it comes to BPC, I always remember the learning and mga paalala ng aming mga teacher. They always instills to us the importance of rapport, respect, camaraderie that really helps us and shape us to be fruitful individuals with integrity, love, and accountability on what we do.
Pinatunayan din ng BPC ang dekalidad nitong pagtuturo matapos makapagtala ng kahanga-hangang 80.49 passing rate kung saan 33 sa 41 na first-time takers ang matagumpay na pumasa sa licensure examination for teachers.
To our future students, partner, and stakeholder, we invite you to be part of our journey. Together, let us continue to transform lives through quality education and build a brighter, more progressive future for Bulacan and to our nation. Bulacan Polytechnic College will always be your gateway to excellence and will always be your partner to reach the world.
Sa bawat nagtapos, isang pangarap ang natutupad, mga produktong handa sa hamon ng mundo. May kasanayan, disiplina at determinasyon.
I am proud to be a BPician.
I am proud to be a BPician.
I am proud to be a BPician.
Every hallway, every classroom, every experience, lahat dito ay step towards your future.
Sa Bulacan Polytechnic College, your journey matters.
Kaya tara na! Start your story with us!